What's up, everybody? Chris G here, back with another ability spotlight for you today. We've got a ton of great feedback on this series. I'm excited to keep showcasing what our cool developer community has been putting together for you. And today, I'm excited to showcase one of our cool new abilities, which is the 20 questions ability. This is going to fall more in the entertainment category. But basically what this ability is going to allow you to do is install it onto any OpenHome personality, open up a conversation, and the OpenHome personality is going to think of an object, person, place, or thing, and then you are going to have 20 questions, yes or no questions, that the ability is actually going to track for you, and it's going to track how many questions remain. You have 20 questions to answer that correctly. And if you're able to answer it correctly, you'll win. If not, you'll have to try again. This one's a really cool demonstration of how you can do some pre-built logic, how you can track conversations and track the questions over time, and really create a fun user experience. Then in this case, that's pretty entertaining. So let's jump right into it. As always, I'm in the OpenHome marketplace. I'm going to go over here to my abilities. I'm going to go to my search bar, and I'm going to search for our 20 questions ability. I'm going to go ahead and install that. I'm going to go over to my abilities. I'm going to see what's installed. In this case, we looks like we successfully installed it for 20 questions. And I'm going to check out my trigger words. My trigger words are play 20 questions and play 20 questions numerically. I'm going to hop over to my personalities. My marketplace to showcase personalities. And let's have Zerb the alien actually play with us.
Bleep bloop, I'm Zerb.
Hey Zerb, I want to play 20 questions.
Welcome to 20 questions. I'll think of something and you try to guess it. You can ask me up to 20 yes and no questions. Say quit when you want to stop playing. You have 20 questions. Say guess when you want to make your final guess.
Is it a living thing?
No, you have 19 questions remaining.
Is it a building?
No, you have 18 questions remaining.
Is it something you use?
Please ask a yes/no question. For example, is it bigger than a house?
Is it smaller than a car?
Yes, you have 17 questions remaining.
All right, so you can see here in just a few lines of questioning, we're going to go ahead and wrap it. As you can see here, you can go through a series of questions and you can keep narrowing it in as you go. And then in this case, we have a preset track where we're going to explain the instructions to the user. And we even have some cool error handling. So in this case, something you used wasn't specific enough. So it wanted me to give a more clear yes or no answer. And then we asked if it was smaller than a car, and it gave us a yes response. Whereas if we asked, hey, is it something, is it a living thing? It said no. So we know that it's an inanimate object that is smaller than a car. And from there, we could keep narrowing it in. But that's a fun little ability. Just something entertaining for you to showcase how we can use preset logic and guide users down a tracked path and really create a cool, unique experience. In this case, an entertaining experience and a fun little game. So I encourage you to go check it out. Go install the 20 questions abilities on your OpenHome personality. Get started playing today and let us know if you're able to beat it or not. All right. If you're building something cool with the OpenHome community, thank you so much again. We're happy to spotlight you. Just reach out on social, and we're looking forward to see what you make next. Thanks so much. Chris G out.